Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs, my name is Serge Ramelli, and I want to show you a really cool tip.
Back in the old days, the lens that they used to have creates vignetting. What vignetting is basically darkening all the corners of the photo. Now, we've already done that here in the trees and on the sky, but I want to do it a bit everywhere just to give it an ancient look. Basically, that's vignetting. That's a very strong vignetting. I don't want to do that, but something like that, you know. The other way is going to make it brighter. I don't want that. I want to make it a bit darker. That's adding a bit of vignetting. If you want to give it an old look, you can always add a grain like they used to have. And it's just under vignetting in effect. I can just add some grain. Now, let me zoom in on the photo. I think it works well on black and white, and just add some grain, something like that, like 23. You see, it makes the whole photo grainy. Gives it like an old look.
Don't forget to subscribe to KelbyOne YouTube channel by clicking the little subscribe button and click the little bell so you get a notification every time a video comes out.